Hello ladies, this video I'll be showing you how I transform my hair from this to this using some virgin hair clip-ins. You want to start off with your desired parting and leave some hair around that parting, to the left, to the back and to the right side of it. When you're happy with it, go ahead and clip that away or twist that away. And then move on to the sides. Go ahead and leave some hair at the sides. It makes your finishing look so much more natural. And then you can put that in the bun or you can cornrow the back of your hair if you want. Some olive oil first and then some curl activator next, and then I put some gel. You don't have to do the oil or the activator, you definitely need the hair gel. And you want a lot of the hair gel as well, okay? Don't mince it, just go ahead and put a lot of the hair gel because you want that hair nice and defined, guys. It has to be nice and defined. Do you see the difference already? Yes. And I actually went ahead and put even more hair gel on it. And then when you're done with that, just go ahead and pin it to the back and sleep with a do-rag or satin scarf. You want your hair, you need to make sure the hair is completely dry. If your hair isn't dry, it's gonna frizz up. So make sure your hair is completely dry before you start the next step, which is adding your hair, your clip-ins. Just get the strips. I usually start with the longest ones and I start that at the back. Depending on the length that I personally want, I may not go all the way to the bottom of the back of my head. Like right now I started a little bit further up. It just gives it a different finish. So these are what the clips look like, just in case you've never done one of these. You just snap it to open it and snap it to close it. This is a close-up. You get the comb part and then you just want to comb it onto your hair. And this would also work if you've got twisting or cornrows in or flat twist. And then just push the ends in and there you go, it's secure. And now you're just going to add in the hair. Clip-ins usually come in different lengths, and so you just go with the flow. Start with the longer ones and then fill in with the shorter ones. Make sure you get as close to your leave out as possible. But also make sure it's nice and natural. And I also like to layer my hair so the hair wefts are quite close together. In case you're wondering, I've actually got, in total, I have about 300 grams of hair, which is a lot of hair. Usually you get a bit less than that in a pack. I have multiple packs. At the end of this video, I will show you how to prep your clip-ins, because your clip-ins will not look like this when you first get them, and they will not look like this after wearing them, days in and for a while. So stay tuned for the end of the video where I show you how to prep your clip-ins so they look amazing and it blends in amazing as well with your hair. So just keep going. Again, it's not rocket science, it's just fitting it where it fits. You can also do this style where you put this in between your hair. This is a good way to do it as a protective style. So you have all your hair kind of away, braided, and put the clip-ins in. Of course, if you're not going to leave any hair out in between the hair, then you're going to need more clip-ins. And that's it. This is not heavy, it's not tight, as long as you don't make it too tight on your hair. And then just adjust your leave out to make sure all your tracks are covered. And if you need to add more gel to it or lay your edges, is the time to do that. But yes, that's it. And I'll show you now, coming up in a minute, how I prep the clip-ins. All right, so you want to get conditioner. I got that from this one from Sally's, because I do have clip-ins, so I got a huge jar of conditioner because I usually pre-poo my clip-ins. When you first get it, I do suggest you shampoo it and then you condition it, but when you've been wearing it for a while, you can just use the conditioner to wash the hair. So as you can see, you just put the conditioner in and work your way downwards. And I like to just finger detangle. You can go in with a Denman brush as well if you want, which I will do at the end of when I'm done washing it. Rinse out the hair. What you want to remember as well with these clip-ins is it is virgin hair, so you want to treat it quite well. How you would treat your hair is how you want to treat your clip-ins. So I've got moisturizer. You can be as liberal as you want with it. And then I also will be putting some gel on this hair as well. You should expect some shedding and a bit of tangling as well. The nature of this hair, the tighter your curls are, the more shedding you will get and the more tangles you will get. So this is a gel that I used. I didn't put oil in it this time, but I do put oil in it sometimes to just give it some shine. And you can just use your fingers if you want. I like to use the Denman brush as well because it just changes the way the curls form. And that's it. And then I dry this kind of just flat on a flat surface. And that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Share this, like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.